Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'd like to take a closer look at this cordless screwdriver. Now I picked this up recently when I was out shopping in Lidl. Do I need one? Not really. Does it matter? Not really. This was only £12.99 and I was pretty impressed when I read on the box that it has a 2 amp hour battery. I thought you could only get that in standard drills, and this is just a little pocket cordless screwdriver, but also you can charge this up with a USB cable, so you could keep this in the drawer of your desk and charge it anywhere you like. So for £12.99 I had to buy it. So with that being said, let's take a closer look at it. So here it is, the Parkside cordless screwdriver. Just taking a quick look at the box. It comes with a 3-year warranty, it has a rechargeable battery, and it has a feature where a lot of the drill bits are kept in the head here, and you can pull it, twist it, and change the drill bits, so they're actually contained inside here. It's called the Rapidfire 2.2, and as I was just saying, integrated bit storage, 4 volts of power with a 2 amp hour battery, approximately 200 RPM, so it's quite a slow RPM for a drill. Now I'm going to take a look what's inside. Looking at the contents, what you get in the box, you get the instruction manual, the screwdriver itself, very lightweight, easy to hold. Then you get a little belt. You can clip this on your belt and put some bits in it, and you can also put the screwdriver in here. For £12.99, this is a really good little extra. So you also get a little box, and inside it there is some more attachments for the screwdriver and a USB, I think this is a USB Type-C charger. So let's take a look at the screwdriver itself. It has forwards and backwards buttons here, so it has a lock in the middle and then a forwards and backwards rotation, and on the top it has an indicator light, and that tells you that the device is in use, and it also tells you how much battery you've got. So you've got red, amber and green. Green for a full charge. It's currently on amber. Here is the trigger button, nice big button. At the bottom here, it has a work light, which illuminates the area up here. And then at the bottom here, it has the charging point for the USB cable. So this little cover that was protecting the ends comes off, and then at the top here you have this this feature where you can pull out the front and then turn here, and there's loads of different drill bits here. So for example, there's a Phillips one. When you've selected the one you want in the center, you push this back and there's the Phillips head. Pull it out again, we'll go to a flathead. I'm guessing that's why they call it the Rapid Fire. Quick and easy if you're going to assemble some furniture You just got this available. You know, you can just quickly change the heads to what you want and get to work quickly. So you can also change the bits too. They just pull out. You can add in your own, or you can add in the ones that come with it. Here's like an extension, and here's some of the bits that it comes with. These just go in like so. So I'm just giving it a charge now. You can see I've got it plugged into the USB. I assume you can plug this into a laptop, other USB devices, and when it's charging it gives you a red light. Okay, so now it's fully charged. So now for the testing, I've got a series of wood screws going from very small up to a kind of standard size screw. So I've got this piece of rough wood, and just here I've pre-drilled a few small pilot holes just to kind of simulate what you'd use this screwdriver for, kind of assembly and light work. So I'm going to start off with the smallest screw and work my way up. So I think it put those screws in fairly well. No problem at all with piloted holes. Now I'm just going to back them all out. So now I'm just going to see how it does driving a screw directly into wood. Now I wouldn't use it for this purpose, but it will just be interesting to see how it copes. So the smallest one, it went in actually fairly easily, which is surprising. And this second one up. That one went in okay too. And I'm not going to go up any further, but I'm just going to try a self-tapping screw because it shouldn't put as much strain on the screwdriver, and it will tap itself into the wood. So that one has gone in as well. It works fairly well. It just takes a bit of time. It's a bit slower than a normal drill. Saying that, it's not a drill, it's a screwdriver. So it does an impressive job. You can imagine if you're doing some flat pack furniture, you could put an attachment on here, an Allen key attachment, and then put the furniture together quite easily. So for first impressions of this cordless screwdriver, I would say very good. It's got a nice comfortable grip here. It's very lightweight. It has forwards and backwards features, a nice big trigger button. It has a central lock, a work light. It has an indicator on the top to show you how much battery you've got, and it has the quick rapid fire bit change here. So I think for £12.99 it's probably everything you could want in a cordless screwdriver. So first impressions are very good. I can't say how durable this is, but going by the 3-year warranty that's included, I would say that it's pretty durable compared to any other kind of budget priced cordless screwdriver. So that's about it for this review video. Would I recommend this screwdriver for £12.99? I would suggest that if you are out in Lidl shopping this week, try to pick one of these up. £12.99 is extremely cheap for a nice little item such as this, nice little useful item. So with that being said, thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more videos. And until next time, see you later.